Hello guys, welcome back. It is the evening. You can see guys, I want to see what I have. It is end month of March, so I want to see what I have so that I can just see what I'm going to get for April shopping. So I'm just going to refill my buckets and see the leftovers which I had. Guys, you can see I have a lot of food which can take us for 2 weeks before I do our monthly shopping haul. So if you're new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three and does content basically around countryside life. So today I'm just refilling our leftovers food so that I see what I'm going to get for our April monthly shopping. Yeah, so I had ugali 2 kgs that I'm putting in that bin, and then guys I have like brown rice, as you can see there. So I have like 2 kgs of rice which is remaining there. I'm going to put that 2 kgs of rice. That is rice 2 kgs which had been left. Yeah, guys, for me, I don't take white rice. That's why you can see 5 kgs taking us 1 month and some weeks. And then, yeah, there is where I usually put in those bins. And then I have 1 kg of brown rice. That is what I usually have. Yeah, that brand 2 kgs of brown rice. CIL. I love this one because it's already made. It's clean, like it is not dirty, as you know. Brown rice usually have a lot of that, so this one I just cook direct, so I usually go for that brand. And then guys, that is where I usually put. Yeah, I think I should be getting the glass storages, guys. I want to keep away these plastic things, and then I'm going to get myself the glass food jars so that the pantry can just look nice. And then I had 2 kgs of ndengu, that is green grams. For yeah, I usually get like 4 kgs, so I think we have eaten 2 kgs now. That is another 2 kgs that had been left, guys. Yeah, nowadays we usually take like I think this month we have been taking like matokes, green bananas, and yams. That's why you can see the shopping has been left a lot, and the month it is end month, guys, with that a lot of shopping. And then we have that Nutramil 2 kgs of sugar, guys. I usually get like 3 to 4 kgs in a month. For me, I don't take sugar, but we usually bake a lot. I don't take wheat. I usually bake a lot for my kids. So we still have 2 kgs of sugar that will take us like 2 weeks before I do the shopping. You can see, guys, we are restocked. Like, I still have more food in the house. Yeah, so I usually do a bulky monthly shopping haul so that sometimes, yeah, you can see it is end month. I'm going to shop after 2 weeks. That is the second week of April. That is when I'm going to do, and I'm done, guys. I just want to put where they belong, like right in that cabinet. I usually put sugar, and then that another cabinet I'm going to put the rice, the flour, the green grams, and the brown rice. So there is where I usually put all the rice and the flours in the house, guys. And yeah, I was still looking if I have a drinking chocolate. I have a whole that a bottle of drinking chocolate, and then I have Rico cubes, that is Magister, a full packet that we haven't used, guys. Yeah, sometimes it's good when you are doing your monthly shopping, you consider what you have in the house first of all, so that you don't just go buy things and then just extra cash, extra coin, and you still have the same stuff in the house. And then the following morning I'm just cleaning the house. Actually, today I'm doing the entire cleaning of the house, guys. So that is our dining part, and you guys with small kids, that wall was dirty like that, guys. But the best part of the walls, they you just rub with a wet piece of cloth and the wall gets clean, guys. And then I decided to do like general cleaning. We have already removed all the carpets. They are drying outside. I never shoot the part the carpets were cleaning because I was at work. My nanny did that, so there's no carpet in this house. So in the morning we got off our curtains, and my nanny has already cleaned the curtains. They are drying outside, and me, I decided with my daughter to just give this house a whole deep cleaning, guys. Yeah, as you know, those who follow me, they know as much as my content is all about a countryside living, sometimes you don't leave your house because you want to concentrate on farming part or poultry part. So sometimes, yeah, it's good I do a cozy and calm living, because today we cannot just be in countryside and we're not cleaning our houses, guys. So yeah, so the dining area is ready, and I'm going to return that our new dining table, guys. Yeah, it is very heavy, like that table. It's mahogany, pure mahogany. Yeah, and I'm just giving it a deep clean, guys. I just love that wood. I love the mahogany wood, and I love the color of the dining. Actually, it makes me feel home sweet home. Yeah, I'm coming back in my home. And then I decided to get that our living room decor to that table there, because it looks good on our dining area. Just a simple decor piece at my dining table, because you guys, I have a small boy, 4 years, and you know they are in that stage of breaking everything, hyperness, not staying in one area, anaruka huku anaruka kule. So you can't find me having decor right now in the house. So many things I've not put, because is very messy, is very mysterious. He will, yani atarukaruka kila mahali, mnaelewa ni mtoto atuliangi. And this time round, when I was working on the dining area and wiping the TV area, my daughter was cleaning the seats, guys. Yeah, sometimes even if you have a nanny, they don't do what you want it to be done. Like my nanny is very lazy when it comes to cleaning the cushion, so I have to talk. So sometimes when I'm around, like weekends, we usually do like this, you know. The dining carpet is ready and it's ready cleaned. It was just washed yesterday, and now we are getting off this living room carpet. I can wash my living room carpet like twice in a month, because my cat loves to slip down the carpet, and you know that dusty area, and my vacuum cleaner is running. It's like it's getting out of the, as in ni kama inaharibika. So I'm not doing with it right now. I just want to get the new Oraimo vacuum cleaner. So that is what I'm investing and praying for. Yes, and you can see I'm cleaning that area. Like today is a whole general cleaning. Yeah, so I'm helping myself with my nanny, with my girl. That is my daughter. School have closed in Kenya. Yeah, with the first quarter of the year, they have already closed. Yeah, so hope you're enjoying this cleaning motivation. Like the video, leave a positive comment, tell me what you think about this general cleaning. So wake up and clean your home. Yeah, living in the countryside does not mean that we don't clean our mansions, guys. You can see the windows are already wiped and the living room is clean. Like you can see, I got off the cushion covers. I've already cleaned them. Yeah, you can see today I was doing a general cleaning of this house. It has been a while before bringing you this video. And yes, guys, up to that video, hope you have liked everything. You can see the living room is clean, the TV area is clean, the study room, the study table is clean as well. Yeah, so that is how my living room is looking at the countryside life. So it's just a calm, cozy cleaning motivation. So hope you're enjoying this slow living at my home. Remember to subscribe, give this video a like, leave a positive comment and tell me what you think about it, guys.